Today in this video, I will share some overnight face masks for you. These can be worn in the comfort of bedtime, and washed then next day. Turmeric face mask. To take a bowl, and add pinch of turmeric powder, and 3 tablespoons of milk. Mix it well together, until they form a paste. Apply the mask on your face and neck. Leave it to stay overnight. Wash the mixture on the next day, with cold water. Repeat this mask 3 to 4 times a week. Inflammation and irritation can aggravate other skin conditions, so using turmeric as a regular face mask can help reduce inflammation, antibacterial potential, acne treatment, antioxidant power, reduced hyperpigmentation, skin irritation, wrinkle treatment. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos.